Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In my video yesterday, I pointed out 109.2K as the next upside target, based on the one-week liquidation heat map. But I did not expect the price to surge even higher so quickly, straight into the teal horizontal resistance at 107.6K, after breaking above the yellow line at 106.4K. It feels like the train has no brakes. Bitcoin just rips through resistance like it is nothing. One glance at the 6-hour Heikin-Ashi chart tells the whole story. We have seen 12 straight green 6-hourly candles since June 23rd. That is nearly a 10K move in just 3 days. To put that in perspective, the price rose more than 10% from 98.2K to today's peak of $108,166. Some real estate investors do not even see 5% annual return on their rental properties, and those come with costs to maintain. Meanwhile, Bitcoin did that in 72 hours. During today's rally, my long wave strategy flashed an exit signal on the 4-hour time frame. That made me cautious, so I first partially closed my long from 104K on Binance and eventually exited fully with a conditional limit sell just under 107K. At the time of this recording, Bitcoin looks strong again, pushing deeper into the 108K level. When we check the 3-day liquidation heat map, it becomes clear what is pulling us in: an extremely hot short liquidation zone around 109K. The same zone is confirmed on the 2-week heat map, making it the key area of focus in this entire range. And it is not just retail traders who are getting greedy. Institutional appetite is exploding again. On June 24th, ETFs recorded 588.6 million in net inflows. Today so far, inflows already stand at 207.4 million, and we have not even seen BlackRock's numbers yet. If their inflow data comes in strong again, today could shape up to be another 500 million plus inflow day. That kind of sustained demand near all-time highs is simply insane. I really hope you are paying attention to what is happening here. In other news, the U.S. Financial Housing Agency just issued new guidance that allows Bitcoin and crypto to be counted as assets when applying for a mortgage. This is a major step toward broader institutional and regulatory acceptance, and another sign that global adoption is continuing to grow. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.